Hi everybody, I am back. I know I have not done a video in so long. I know I've been doing so much stuff these past few months. I think my last video was, I don't remember, but it was a long time since my last video. And I've been doing so much stuff. I started my own business. I've been doing a lot of things, and I can't wait to share with everybody my process. I'm actually thinking about recording and filming the steps I'm going through. Maybe I can help other upcoming entrepreneurs and women who want to start their business. But yes, I am full force being a business owner, and it's exciting. It's exciting. Also, you will hear beeping in my background. I cannot reach my whatever this thing called. What's it called? The fire alarm or something like that. I can't reach that or whatever. So my maintenance people are coming to change the batteries because I cannot reach it. So you will be hearing that in the background, and if it's annoying, I'm sorry. I'm gonna get it fixed sometime this week. So I'm coming on here to talk about this hair. Yes, y'all. This hair is so bomb. Y'all know that's my favorite word. So bomb. So bomb. So, this is my second install. This is my second install with this hair. I just recently did this yesterday. Did it myself. It's individual crochet in the it's individual crochet in the front, and then it's crochet like the other crochet in the back, just going back in braids. So it's, well, actually individual going around in the perimeter, so I can be able to pull it up in the ponytail, and the other one's in the back, and I did these myself. So let's get into this hair. So I got the packet. I had extra. This my other installment. I had extra packaging, so I'm able to show you what's the name of the hair, how the packaging look, everything. So this is the hair. I don't know if you can see it. My light can be a little crazy, but this is the hair. It's called Faux Locs. It's by Freetress. I love this brand. This was the color. It's another color, but I used this on my other install before I did this one. But yeah, this is how the packaging look, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. Now, for the hair I have in my head, this is in the color. This is multiple colors. This is color OT 27, and then I have OT 30. This is the color that I have in my head, and then I have a couple of other little colors, because the hair lasts so good, and then like I feel like the older it get, the more it looks like real dreads. Y'all, I love this hair. And so I had a couple of pieces that was still real good to use, so I used those pieces. I used a couple of those pieces and put it in like other little places, because I wanted to do like a mixed look. But yes, my last install lasted a month. It held so good because I had took my kids to Disney World last month, and so I was like, I needed something quick to do my hair with. So I did that, and it lasted a month. I was so like, what? It kept up so long, and I was like, okay. So I took it down on Friday, washed my hair, and then I installed these on Saturday. So yes, I had these in for a day, and these are how it looked. Let me try to get a close-up look. So this is the colors. You can see the colors. This is the one I was telling you from my last installment, and you see how it still look fresh. And this is with the last installment. This is one of the dreads from the last one, and it still looks good. But This is how it looks, and it looks so freaking real. It looks so real. Y'all, I'm in love with this hair. This is my second time using it. This is probably the only dreaded hair, whatever you want to call it, hair I would use. But I am in love with it. So yeah, this is what I want to come on here and show y'all. I was thinking about doing a film about it, because I really didn't see a lot of videos on this hair on YouTube. So I was like, let me record some. Plus I haven't did a video in so long, and I know the people who are following me probably miss me. If y'all miss me, comment below if y'all miss me, because I miss y'all too. And I'm gonna be filming so many other videos. Like I said, I just been like working so hard on getting my business started. Actually, let me see if I actually can give you a sneak peek. Well, not a sneak peek, but of my lash boxes. I don't know if I showed you guys before, but I don't think I showed in no videos, because I just like recently got my boxes. But these are my lash boxes. If you can see, these are so freaking pretty. I love the box. It's so pretty. But yeah, we're gonna talk about it more in another video. I can't wait, y'all. I can't wait. I got so much stuff to like tell y'all guys. I'm gonna be doing more. I'm gonna be doing makeup videos, because my father's been telling me I need to do makeup videos. I did my face, but I didn't put no lashes on because I didn't feel like doing all that. So I just did a little quick beat or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Did through a little lip gloss, a little quick beat, and all that stuff, the highlight popping. But yes, I'm so excited. So yeah, y'all need to get this hair. Oh yeah, the cost of this hair was $6.99. I think it was $6.99. No, it was $7.99, because this is the 18-inch. Yeah, so it was $7.99. The $6.99 is, I think, the 12-14-inch. So this was $7.99 a pack, and I only used 4 packs. Yes, it's a lot of people on here that be talking about I use 6, 7, 8 packs. No, boo, you make it work. I use 4 packs of these, and it's full. My hair is full from these 4 packs, and I use probably like 5 like extra ones from my old installment. But yes, 4 packs, that's all you need. I really love it. I'm really starting to like blonde or whatever, so blonde is my color for the summer. Yes, so I hope y'all like it or whatever, and I'll see y'all soon. Is there anything else I want to talk about this hair? Yeah, I probably missed some stuff, so if y'all got any more questions about this hair, just comment below. I'm gonna answer it in the best of my ability. But yes, I love it. I'm vibing. This hair is a vibe, y'all. This hair is definitely a vibe. But yes, all right, y'all, so peace out. See y'all later.